Hello, and welcome to Hands-On History. My name is Dixie Herring, and this is my classroom. I have been teaching for over 25 years, and my passion is history. And I love taking my passion and sharing it with other people, and especially students. And that's why I created time boxes. I think probably like me, most of you would love to take your kids to museums and where they get a chance to hold history in their hands for themselves. But maybe you're limited by time, opportunity, or even money. And this is a project that will allow you to give your students a museum experience without actually having to leave the classroom. In this time box, you will print, it's a digital packet, and you will print out all of these pieces. And let me show you what's inside of this box. This one is the World War II military box. And what you'll get in this box is you'll get a sheet of paper that has a list of everything that's in the time box, plus kind of the reason why I did this. You will also get a list on what to prepare ahead. Now, I'm a teacher and I'm a list person. I can't remember what I'm doing if I don't have a list. So I created a list for you. This is what you need to do ahead before you put all this together in class. There's also a list on what to do the day of completion and what you need to do in class to put the box together. I've also added extra suggestions. These are just some additional ideas that you can add to the box to make it super cool. And of course, you can add anything else that you want to that you come up with on your own. I've also added a suggested music playlist for this box. And these songs go with the mood of the box. I love preparing something that has a mood to it, that kind of gets you into the whole historical feeling. And I use music with that, and this is a playlist that goes along with the military play box. Now, you will also get a list of the labels. These labels will be cut out and they get put on the box, and I put as many things on a piece of paper as I could to save paper. So these are the box labels. You'll also get the enlistment cards and the ID cards, and this is front and back. And if you take a look at the back of it, this is where you're going to put the picture. So you'll take a picture of each of the kids, and that will go on this identification card. There's also dog tags for the box. So each kid will get a dog tag, and they'll print that off and get to wear that home. We also have phrases in English and French, and this comes from a paper that was actually handed out to Allied airmen in case their plane was downed. They would be able to talk somewhat to civilians and be able to get back to safety. And so this is a list of common phrases that are just kind of fun. Also have in this templates for boxes for rations, and you'll get 3 of these. And these are they're templates so that you could put different rations inside of the box. You will also get a V-mail, and this is front and back, and this is how civilians would communicate with their loved ones overseas. And you could print as many of these as you want to put inside of the box. You will also get 6 additional original poster cards that you can cut out and put inside of the box that the students get to take home. Now, there will be a few things that you'll need to get to go along with the box. You'll need, obviously, to have a box. Every kid will need to bring a shoebox. You will also need a can of green spray paint. You will also need to purchase Hershey bars and Nutri-Grain bars. And you will need some white material. You will need white cardstock. You will need brown cardstock like this one. And you will need gray cardstock. You will also need to take a picture of the students, and you can print that off on regular photo paper, or you can print it off on cardstock because you will use this to fill out their ID cards. Well, thank you for taking a look at this time box. I hope you liked what you see. God bless you.